Okay. In the Netherlands, Mr. Sir. That's amazing. Are you in Amsterdam, Copenhagen? Where are you at? Are you at a conference? Are you traveling for work? I'm outside of Amsterdam for a company conference. Nice. I love Amsterdam. The Dutch are the friendliest people, and it's such a beautiful city. I love it so much. In fact, the best breakfast. Guys, no barks. Winnie Marie. Sorry. If you make it into Amsterdam, let me see if I can get a map up here without doxing myself. Oh, my scroll is backwards. Let's change scroll direction. The hell is happening? Change scroll direction. Natural scrolling off. Okay, cool. Let me get away from my house here before I dox myself. All right, here we go. The best breakfast I have ever had is in Amsterdam, and it is over, here's the park. Where are we at here? It's called Bakers and Roasters. Trying to see if I can find it. All right, so there's that. Might be over in here. Let's see. 5-way coffee roasters. I think it's on the outside. My memory is failing me. So there's that bridge. It's like over here. I swear it's like over here. All right, let's see how off I was actually. Bakers and Roasters. I wasn't too far off. I was over here. Okay, so this place is the best breakfast I have ever had, Ninja. It is so good. I think about it all the time. Can I look at photos? Yeah, oh my God. I love Bakers and Roasters. I'm about to get on a flight right now and meet you in Amsterdam for breakfast. Hold on. I just lost the foster dog that's supposed to be in here with me. 1 second. I will be right back. Yinny, come on. You're okay. Come on. Go in my office, honey. Come on. Come on. So what am I at this girl? Yo, what are you doing? You gonna hang out right here? Okay. I'm giving you big trust. See you, Ninja. Okay, so I am exhausted. I got like no sleep last night. But let's dive in, shall we? Let's get a tweet out. I don't even feel like tweeting. I'm super tired. Oh, let's just go for it. So I want to clean up. I want to clean up some of this here. Annotate logs, fiber name. Let's make this module. Let's actually update. Okay, so that's what I was doing there. All right, so we are working on annotating our logs. Good morning, Flap. Let's get rid of that, and we can go into our package JSON. We're not actually gonna use telemetry right now, so we can get rid of that and that. Do that, and we can do a coming with the usual F1 question. You happy with Lando win? Oh man. Well, good afternoon. I am stoked about the Lando win. I'm really excited. I'm really hopeful for Imola this weekend too. I think McLaren has a car that favors a track like Imola, so maybe we can pull it off. You're in the Netherlands too, Pizza? Have you ever been to Bakers and Roasters in Amsterdam? I was talking with Ninja about it being like the best breakfast I've ever had. Yeah, so happy with someone being the Bulls. Facts. Oh, is that still a thing that I have? Let's do this, and let's do a git, just do a git commit whip, and then we'll pull, and we'll do nix dwb. As a resident of Netherlands, I never go to Amsterdam unless I mean, I guess that makes sense. Where would the Where would you recommend visiting in the Netherlands that isn't like Copenhagen, Netherlands, or like The Hague? Utrecht. I don't even know if I'm getting that right. Probably not. Okay, so right outside Amsterdam. Kind of right outside Amsterdam. Wow, I got that wrong. There's my Americanism coming out. I don't want to look at the castle. The place I've spent the most time in Europe has been outside Frankfurt. A little bit of time in Belgium, some time in eastern France, and then England a bit. And then I spent a couple days in Amsterdam. I really, really liked Amsterdam. The people were so well. Actually, the people in Belgium and the people in the Netherlands were so much more friendly than. I mean, the Germans were pretty polite, but the French, especially in Eastern France, wanted nothing to do with us. And even we even had like a native French speaker, and they still were not very accommodating. I would love to go to Budapest. All right, guys, what we're working on today is our Spotify integration. So you should be able to request the current song. I don't have it running yet, which is a good thing. I should start. French have all the best food. Let's see here. Why did this fail? Network errors? All right, let me finish getting this updated here. Let's see here. One more time. This should go pretty quick now. What is happening there? We might have to just delete that file. So let's just remove this. Yoink that. Are we gonna have to fight Nyx this morning? I really hope not. Nyx. What is the best way to fix this? Nyx Flake update. Can we get that to work? Oh, well, that's running. We can at least keep working on what we were doing with effect. So right now we're working on augmenting the logging and just like starting to clean up and find some patterns we like. All right, that looks good. All right, let me get this running. Bun run source main. All right, we should be started. Kraut, if you want to try to request this song, we'll see if that actually ends up in the queue here. I am so tired. This freaking foster puppy kept me awake all hours of the night. I've got like 3 hours of sleep. Yeah, just a regular Spotify link. So if you just go and like copy song link. Oh, my freaking access token is expired. Damn it. All right. Bun run get Spotify access token. That opens this. Agree. Good. Source main. We got to fix that. All right. Try one more time. Don't you get... so I don't get copyright strikes, Pizza, because the way I set things up is that... wow, this is way too heavy for stream. Is this your song crowd? This has to be, because this isn't my music. Nice. So we're working there. Let's go. Right. So the way I don't get copyright stricken, Pizza, is that I set up my audio so that my screen, which is where the music is coming from, isn't on track 6. And track 6 does not get recorded to my VODs. So it's only ever live. It doesn't get added to any sort of recordings. So when it gets processed by like YouTube and Twitch, like the live music's not there. Yeah, so Mecca, what you're gonna do, you have to redeem the request Spotify song reward, which is only a point right now. Yeah. All right. So we want to go to here and we want to fix this. This shouldn't be module anymore. This should be fiber name. Great. How do you process the URL? I will show you that code. It's just a simple regex. So a what's it called? A URL will come in and it's going to be like, you can see it's like spotify.com/track/ it'll be like song ID, right? And when you request to add a song to queue, you send it as a Spotify URI, which ends up looking like this. It's a string that's Spotify, track, and then song ID. So I just basically regex out the song ID and send it along as this structure right here. Welcome, Raiders. Fix it. How are you? How was your stream? What were you working on? Okay, so we've got that annotated. Yeah, you can see right here, I get my song ID, and I end up sending it to Spotify like this right here. Just links probably. I don't know how I would enable search. I don't know how I would do that. Fact. We can change this. I learned that we can do changing that. We can just do effect.log error. Do that. And this will be our song request fiber, I guess. Yoink. Spotify song request fiber. Thanks for the shout. I have to run. Was setting up a chat controlled Arduino robot arm. That sounds awesome. I haven't touched Arduino stuff since I was in college, which is way longer. Dude, Kyle, how long ago was college at this point? It's almost been a decade. That's terrifying. Okay, this is all looking pretty good. So we don't need this because errors can be automatically annotated if we do that. What up, September Eat Time? Thank you for the follow, by the way. Super appreciate you. Yeah, dude, it's almost, I can't believe college is that long ago. That's bananas. All right. So that's all looking pretty good. So I want to come up with an abstraction where I can like start moving out these effects, which is pretty easy because I just need to like basically take this and put it in its own thing. But we'll get there in a minute. I think I saw Federico in the chat too. Yeah, morning Federico. Morning Camel. And Alcaeus, I don't know if I said good morning. Keyboard sounds pretty good. Juicy claps. Thank you. Appreciate it. I have to get around to setting up my Moonlander. I still have not got to that. I might do that today, like over my lunch break or something. All right, so that looks pretty good. Annotate logs. We're gonna change this to service. All right, that's fine. Let's go check Twitch. I think we got everything how we want in here. Like this is just super noisy. But we can clean it up. So this will be changing that. This just has to be effect.log error. Fiber name. All right, we want to make something like ETS that Elixir has. Yeah, I'm trying to like get organized here. I got like very little sleep last night, so I'm very tired. We have a foster dog that we got from Turkey who was like severely abused and is very skittish, and she had a rough night and kept me up all night. So I'm like rocking on like 3 hours of sleep right now. So where are we at right now? We have a lot of this working. I want to do something where we have like an overlay on the screen where it's like the currently playing song and if it's requested with somebody. So the piece I don't have right now is a way to track who requested what. Yeah, right, Kyle? I'm trying to think about what I want to do next. I think I want to do some light cleanup here. Random link that doesn't work. Invalid track URL. Nice. These logs are pretty good, actually. So I'm wondering if I can send metadata along with my request to Spotify. I don't think I can. Let's go look at the Spotify dev stuff. Player, get playback state. What does this give us? Yeah, I don't think I can. I wonder how Ryan does that. So I want to have like currently playing if it's requested by somebody, and I want that to cycle to like up next. And I also we should make a queue command too. Yeah, so let's do. Let me write this down so I don't get distracted here. That is my to-do for work. So let's just say work to do. And then we'll do a stream to do. And on here we'll add clean up forked fibers. What else do we want to clean up? That's really like the main thing. We probably want to create an abstraction for streams and Twitch event sub streams / event sub callbacks. What else do we want? We want to start working on queue command. And then we want some sort of internal queue like ETS that tracks requesters as well as songs. What exactly should this integration do? So, welcome to stream and chat. Estri. So the first thing we've built is you can check the currently playing song by using the song command. And then if you redeem, if you open up my rewards, you'll see that you can request a Spotify song. If you drop a Spotify song link in that reward redemption, it will queue it up to play it. So what we're working on today is going to be kind of this list of things here. Overlay. I think, what is the command to zoom in this? Zoom in. Zoom in. Can I hide this? Nope. View. Okay, so we're just gonna keep this like, I think I can like, can I still do this? No. So we're just gonna lightly keep that over there. So the first thing we want to do is clean up our forked fibers. So actually the first thing we do before I forget completely is that we have to update Nix and NeoVim. Clean up forked fibers, and then we want to update Nix, Ghosty, and Vim. So let's knock that out quick. So let's go back here. All right. Let's see if we can get this working now. We were having problems with Nix earlier. Yeah. We have like Nix in like a bad state somehow, which is not good. So let's try fallback. Dash dash fallback. So I think if we go, and is that the same? No, it's not. Thank you for the follow, Anna and Yo. Appreciate you. All right, so we're just gonna control C that, and we're gonna do Nix collect garbage. Garbage collect, what is that called? Collect garbage. There we go. All right, well that's running. We can keep working. Somebody remind me to go back to Nix in like a couple minutes. So we're in here, and now let's break out our forked fibers. Let's start cleaning that up, and we'll start with our Twitch service. So we have let's make this like a Twitch event sub streams.ts. Save that, do that, and then let's open this up, and we'll go back to our Twitch service, and we want to yoink this guy and throw him over here. Let's go ahead and import. That was probably from Nix garbage collect running. Damn it. All right. Nix is screwing me this morning, chat. All right. That was at least a fast garbage collect. Hopefully garbage collect just did what we needed to, and this isn't going to be an issue. Has everybody's songs been played that queued them up? If at any point you request a song and it doesn't play, let me know. Yeah, yep, queuing should work right now. God damn it. All right, so this is still borked. All right, we're gonna have to do some Nix doctoring here. Darwin. Jesus, I don't even remember how to do some of this. Config fish aliases. Ooh, that would be, I just got an idea. we will add chat message that says what song was requested. Plus send error feedback to chat. Point, what's it called? Refunds. All right, those are the things we need to do. All right, Darwin rebuild, switch, check. Darwin rebuild dash dash help. I want to roll back. So let's list generations. I have to have like hundreds of generations. 80, so let's roll back one. Oh, that's a good point. I should check the logs quick and see if it handled that okay. Not Vercel. Effect. Okay, so I don't think I have logging for that. Let's get out of my face. I actually don't think this is queuing up anybody's stuff right now. So it might be broken. It does appear to be broken. All right, let me get through fixing my config here. We broke it. I need to come down here and I just want to roll back to 79. Where's rollback? Dash dash rollback. All right, we're rolled back. And now let's see if we can do this. Which means I should have my Vim config back now. Maybe? No. Okay, so we can do that. So let's come back down here and we're gonna run Darwin build. Let's add everything. We'll do a DWB. DWC is Darwin rebuild check, and DWB is an alias for Darwin rebuild build. It's Nix stuff. I use Nix to manage my home environment. Yeah, it's Nix stuff. So if we go in here, yeah, okay, we're back. Let me just run lazy quick, do an update. All right, NeoVim's updated, great. Let's get our tree sitter stuff updated. This will probably fail the first time. Update. So if we look at my fish aliases, yeah, so DWC is Darwin rebuild check, and then DWB is rebuild switch. All right, so we're updated here, which is what we wanted. Which the main thing I wanted to get rid of was the remove. Okay, that's gone. Thank God. Okay, great. Yeah, the learning curve is steep. I've ended up in the camp where I hate Nyx, but it's better than everything else, so I love Nyx. And like I paid the price, so now I have like enough competence in it that I can work myself through most issues I find myself in. And it's really, really useful. And especially just like project flakes. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so we're updated here. Let's go ahead and update Ghosty. Install and relaunch, close Ghosty. All right, great. Tmux, yeah. And we can quit out of this, reset and clear. Them in there, great. All right, we're done that one. Sure. Clean up forked fibers. Let's go ahead and restart our server. Bun run source main. Oh, the other thing we need to do that we should do here is refresh expired Spotify token. I didn't see an error at all. Do you want to try re-requesting that international song, Kraut, and see if it breaks again? While we're at it, we should make sure we're getting logging for... in fact, I should really move... I don't know my tmux commands enough. Tmux, rotate panes. All right. So I'm assuming you just requested memories, because I don't think that's mine. Cool. Okay, that worked. Can someone else request another song and see if it's just back-to-back requests that break? I want that. Okay, this song's a bop, Kraut. How do I like this? Why can't I heart this? There we go. Panes. Move current pane right. So it's going to be leader and then an arrow key. That didn't work. I can do this, but that's not what we want. I can just kill it probably. All right, we'll kill the server quick. And then we'll do a, what is it, this key? Yeah, there we go. And I don't remember how to resize, so we're just gonna bump the logs over like that. Now we'll start the server again. Now we got logs trailing over here. Oh, it would be cool to... I've got another cool idea. Use or add color to effect logger. Yeah, Ryan, we're gonna probably be in TypeScript for a while, to be honest. I think I'm gonna, once I get through building this like subset of features I want for my Twitch integrations, I'm gonna start building the thing you and I talked about, and then I might try to launch a micro SaaS. I miss the old Dylan. I know. It's all right. We're gonna have to probably sometime in mid-June, we're gonna go in a pretty big OCaml arc again, and we're gonna rewrite the OCaml playlist transfer tool, because I need to build something for my conference talk on Riot in September. So we're gonna rebuild the OCaml playlist transfer tool with Riot as like the foundation for my conference talk. Kyle, it's cute that you think I'm not going to use Vercel for infra. All right, so we need to clean up forked fibers. So we started doing this. There we go. This was I knew I was missing a log somewhere. Conform format save cannot use. Wonder if that was a breaking change. I wouldn't call Vercel cheaper than AWS because we use AWS under the covers, but that would be interesting. All right, let's go look at that merge request. Was it in here, Federico? Did I just change something? Okay, just awkward silence at the end of that song. Pattern thing still applies, basically showing. Yeah. I think we could definitely use that. Bio has a free tier they cracked down on. We recently cracked down on that at Vercel too. That's actually what my team's responsible for. What is this? Okay, it's only 2 minutes. We'll rock with it. Yeah. We could make this into a layer or a tag. So let's just get everything imported that we need. We come in here and let's just say, yeah. And we'll do this function star boom boom boom. We'll say return. We'll jump over here, percent down to there, add that, boom, that goes there, and that should. What are we upset about here? Right, because that's wrong. That closes that. Let's bump this there. There. That closes that. Okay, we need a close there. There we go. Okay. So now we can yield star const config equals yield, forgot a Y, Twitch config, yeah. Event sub equals yield star event sub. Okay. And then we can do layer dot discard we need to import that. I think this is maybe what you were suggesting, Federico. Effect discard. And then we'll say, you said context dot tag. That's a function. Let's just put foo for now. Okay, sounds good. Okay. So I think I could do like a generic tag. But that wouldn't make sense. I'd want to make it outside of it. It's not quite what I want. Dude, I haven't listened to Linkin Park for so long. I freaking love Linkin Park. Now I can effectively do something really similar here. Let's comment that and 19 up, yank that, 19 down, paste that in there. This will be song request message stream. Then we can yoink you. Delete that, and then we can take this delete that, put that there, uncomment all this, delete that, import that. So I think we should be able to at least yield this maybe over here now. Let's see. If I come in here and I say const song request message stream equals yield star song request message stream, what does that give us? I mean, that works. But we want it to be a layer because we want it to be cached and only have one, basically a singleton. You sent this snippet on Discord, okay. I'm gonna go throw my coffee mug on the charger quick, chat. Okay. Okay. Let me copy that. So Federico sent us this snippet here. So let's look at this quick. AI. Chat message. Never. Layer dot discard. I guess we need to get the stream. Oh no, that's all good. So you use this as opposed to doing like I'm using a similar pattern, right? Or I think for oh right, this would be the forked effects. Right. I still need to get the streams. I should make the streams a layer, and then I can copy this pattern for the forked effects. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So far, chat, I am pretty impressed with the music. Minus the the one. Okay. So let's turn these into a layer. Oh god, what the hell did I just do? So let's say we're gonna convert this to a layer quick. Export class, and this will be, let's just comment that out, and this will be, man, I am so tired I can't freaking type. think that's how I've been doing that. And then it's going to return a... I'm just going to say any for a second because I can't remember. What up, Ethan? A Zinner, a Camel Crush? Oh my god. Actually, a freaking a freaking cigarette would probably do the trick right now. Drunk cigs don't count, chat. Remember. I don't actually smoke cigarettes unless I'm drinking with Kyle. Then I will occasionally partake in cigarettes and other drugs. Yeah, dude, a freaking camel, or yeah, would freaking hit right now. Okay, and we need, this is gonna return, I'm just gonna basically copy and paste this. I want this stream, and we'll come up here and we'll paste the type definition here. And we're gonna change this to a, change around that, and this will be a currently playing request. Import that. Why am I getting type foo equals? Cigarettes are side affecting. I do not recommend cigarettes. For the record, I only smoke like 10 cigarettes a year. Currently playing request. Where is that freaking message at? Pub sub. It's a message. What do you look like? Ah, that's it. Ooh, yeah, like a nice, there's a sweet, like kind of almost like a speakeasy bar that's a whiskey and cigar bar in Raleigh, and they actually have really, really, really nice scotch on their shelf, like stuff you can't find like at normal bars, and it's not outrageously priced. Like every bar in the world prices whiskey ridiculously. Like, oh, you want a pour of Glenfiddich 12? How about $20? Get out of here. Okay, so that looks good. That's what we want. Federico, is there a way to like, is there an easy way to like remove the namespace from the type so it's just like stream without like re-aliasing everything and doing your own exports? All right, so we want this. Import star as. All right, so you're saying if we do import star without star. Yeah. Okay, so stream, type stream, well, delete word from, so it's basically just don't use the top layer import. Ah, that's so much better. Although now, Can I import a type and then... I see. Okay, whatever, it's fine. Where I'm moving to now is right by a beach where I used to grow up. We used to go down to the dunes, have a fire pit, bring some stogies, plenty of alcohol, lounge chairs until the tide comes up. Hell yeah. There was a abandoned golf course in my hometown, and on the back nine, we used to, at the end of the school year, we used to take all the stuff from our like lockers, like all our school supplies, and we'd have a giant ass bonfire in the sand pit and basically do the same thing. Let me see if I can find that on Google Maps before I dox myself. York, PA. Okay, so this is the town I grew up in, York, PA, which is in Pennsylvania over here. And let's see, so here's York. There's Wellspan. I grew up... Damn, we're going heavy this morning. There's the Vault. Counselor Park. Should be like over here. Where's the hospital at? Should be right here. Oh no. Okay, well, this used to be a golf course. And there used to be a sand pit right back in here, and we used to have bonfires right here at the end of the school year, and we used to play airsoft on this abandoned golf course, and I used to work here at this stupid grocery store. One way I've found around that, Federico, you can actually get around that by doing, let's just say my module.ts. And if you come in here, let's just say type my module, and I don't know what this is. We'll just say foo, and this is going to be bar. And then you can do export const. This is like a pseudo namespace trick that I use a lot. Export const my module, and let's just say like get foo. I don't know. This will take my module. And then you can just do like return module.foo, do this as const, and then you can come into another file. So if I just do module a.ts, and you come in here, you can be like import my module from /my modules, sure. And now you can use that as a type and a like namespace. So I can be like const x will be a my module, and you can be like, okay, well this needs a foo on it. At least I thought I could do that. Oh, it's star as. Well, let's see here. How do I normally do this? Now I'm stuck. Oh God, I'm stuck in Vim. How do I get out of code actions? Sure. Hold on. That needs exported. That's part of the problem. And now you can delete this, right? I can say that's my module, and I can do foo, and that has to be bar. And then I can be like const foo equals my module dot get foo, and I can pass x in, and you can do it that way. So that's a pattern I use all the time where I get kind of namespacing and the type for free. Which is really nice. Yeah, no problem. Okay, we were in here. This will be yeah. Yep. So I think I actually want to try something real quick. If we did effect.ts, I want to test the thing I just did. So if we did like export type stream, that would be stream. Stream has gotta import that. Let's call this foo for a second so we get our right import. Yeah, okay. And we'll say as effect stream. Delete that. And then we can do this effect stream. And that requires AER, so we'll rename this to stream. AER, yank around that, paste that there, and then see if this works. Const stream equals effect stream. And now if we go back over to, let's just do a vertical split. See, Ethan. Have a good one, dude. If we get rid of the stream in here, can we import ours? Requires 3 arguments. Okay. Right, so let's go back over here, and we want to let's just straight copy this. That's not a type now. Yeah, that works. That's not bad. I kind of like that a lot. Because now I can just import from my own effect. It's kind of nice. So let's go up here and we'll just rename this we'll say effect exports instead. Yeah, I kind of like that pattern. It cleans up the code base a lot. Removes a lot of noise, and I don't have to worry about tree shaking here. What I don't like with Effect is the amount of code you're going to maintain and write to improve the developer experience. It is qualitative, but I need to limit test. I think the payoff is going to be on bigger code bases or things that require concurrency. Like this thing I built here, like this would be like this very concurrent system where I have a bunch of processes running concurrently. Like this would be really, really hard to do in just regular Node. Like you'd have to use worker threads and event emitters, and it's messy. And then you don't have the scheduler. Oh, is this the kids are gonna be all right. Who sings that? The Offspring. Yeah, nailed it. It's talking about your pattern in a file as a single. Oh yeah. Well, the nice thing is like you'd only have to write it once and then just copy and paste it. And you could alias it with like TypeScript aliases. So you could be like import, like you could do like at effect exports, right? You could do something like that. And you could always just copy and paste that. In fact, you could just like even write a tiny npm module and install it. Oh, the song command didn't work? It's because I accidentally... Well, let's see what happened here. Oh, yeah. You can't request podcasts. Podcasts won't work. I don't know why this didn't work, Kyle. That didn't even pick up. I wonder if that caused the fiber to stop. It shouldn't. Instead of making a new queue in subscribe, can't you return the DQ returned by subscribe? The reason why I return a new queue kit is because I filter the messages on behalf of the subscriber. So they'll say like, hey, I only want to subscribe to a particular message type, and my pub sub receives every type of message. So what this internal queue does, it will only we could get smart, right? And we could make like another pub sub and then just cache or have like a singleton per message type. Doesn't really matter in our case because like we only have one subscriber. But this queue will only ever get a single message type because we filter here. Just a small tip, when using tagged types classes, you can use effect.types.extract tag. Where would I use tagged messages? So it would be this guy. Invalid song request. So you're saying instead of doing this, I would do like nice. Dude, that's sweet. Do I get autocomplete here? No, I don't. Okay, cool. I dig that. That's sick. Okay, so that broke again. We broke something. Song is definitely not working. I bet our token's expired. Which I don't know why it's not propagating that error. That's something to look into. Yeah, our token was expired. I don't know why that didn't do that. All right, we'll come back and I'm gonna ready to do refactor to use types.extract tag. And I'm getting so distracted here. Come over here, do that. Great. Then I think, does this have any dependencies? It does, but that's all right. We can force the consumers to provide the dependencies. So let's get rid of that, and we can remove v2 now. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for... Oh no, it's all good. I get myself hella distracted too. Wow, I am struggling so hard. I'm so tired. And this will be a song request message. And then we'll yoink this and we'll paste that there. I think this is my music. Unless somebody, yeah, it's Polyphia. This is more of like a song. No, that's the right thing. We'll say const equals that, and then we will, in fact, we can even do that. There we go. All right, so we have layers for our streams now. And we can even go one step further. And we can merge these. And Mike sent me a message about using... these aren't forked effects. These are the async callbacks from Twitch's event sub. I then, what we're getting to is, let me see if I can get here. In Twitch service. So if we look here, we turn this into a pool, which Mike has a suggestion on how to do this differently. I merge those and then I fork that. So we can probably turn this into like a layer and handle that there. But in the interim, yeah, exactly. So we're gonna check that out here in just a second. And this can be effectively the same thing. Yield star, and this will be chat message stream. Nice. In fact, we can probably go a little bit further. Sweet, dude. Yeah. I like kind of like all music. I'm not like super picky. Nah, let's not do this yet. I want to keep this pretty pure. So we can go back to here though and have like a export class event substream. Is this Tech 9? All right, this is a bit too heavy, so I'm skipping it. Sorry, y'all. I won't skip songs once they're worth more points, but that was not the vibe I need at the moment. And then we want to do return yield star stream dot merge. Yeah, we might as well just do merge all. Chat message stream and song request message stream. Yeah, but is that really going to be pissed at me for aliasing that? Yeah, I know that. Just return any for now. Yeah, fine. It's losing. So it looks like this needs to, I can't alias these types potentially. Which means that this should be that. Are you happy now? Yeah. Okay. So that's interesting. That's good to know. I'm assuming that will probably fix What up, Fubby, Fub hey, Fub hi. I feel like I forgot. I'm so tired. I'm so sorry. I got like 3 hours of sleep. Staying up with the foster dog. Okay, so now we do have streams. Is it just not the star? Oh, okay, hold on. Let's go back. And... Okay, we can't do that. Okay. Yeah. I was just being a dummy. There we go. There we go. That's interesting that I can merge but not merge all. Whatever. I'm okay with that. Okay, that checks. Okay, that looks good there. And we need to go to our Twitch service, and now we can just get our merge stream, right? So this will be, let's rename this to Twitch event sub. We can even just name it event sub stream. And we can delete these, and we can get rid of this. And this will now be yield star event sub Twitch event substream. Yeah. So now we can get rid of that dependency. And this probably still needs a event sub as a requirement, if I had to guess. Yeah, Twitch event substream. And that should... Oh, I can go do that in there. We can just provide this. Is it layer dot provide? Effect dot provide. And then it's layer dot merge all. And this will be chat message stream dot live and song request. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Okay, back to here. Let's clean up these. So now we can start breaking out some of these forked effects and copying that pattern Federico sent us. Winnie. So let's start with this one. Actually, let's go look at what that, it was like stream dot run for each. Let's yoink this, and we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna go to ChatGPT. And I want to grab, where did I do that at? I don't think I ever, now you do not need to use @template in the JS docs, but now do you idiot. Use better type names. Use better type and param names. There we go. Using all the elements of the stream, passing them to the specified callback function. And what's this return? Returns a function that takes a stream and returns an effect. So it'll effectively, effect.forever will constantly pull from the stream over and over again. So it would be like, I guess I could even do like event substream dot pipe, and it would be like stream dot run for each, and then would have a callback. I don't know what this is, but we'll do that. Let's see what this gives us, and it needs to return callback. What does the callback have to return? An effect? Yeah, okay. Okay. And this is going to be a message. Sick. So that means we can take our message here and we can change this to be effect.gen function star boom 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 boom. Do that. Whoops. And where were we? How did I get back here? I lost my spot. Yeah. We can copy this, yoink that, and we can come in here and we can paste that. And that should be the same effect, right? In fact, let's just do, rather than pipe, stream dot run for each. And we'll get rid of this. Let's do this on a new line. Stream dot for each, run for each. That will get our event substream, and then this will be our callback, which will be this. We can just yank in there, come to our comma, paste there, and then we can take this, delete that, come in here, view in that, paste that. Oh God, that got messy. Let's do delete in that. Does this end up returning an effect? It does, right? What just happened to... Yeah, okay. I want to delete in you. And let's just take that and we're gonna yoink you. Come down here, paste that there. It's the semicolon. And then we can come up here and we can delete this. In fact, we can get that too. Get rid of that. What up, One Byte? Now that's purdy. That's pretty sick, y'all. I think we need effect.forever because I don't know. Let's go look at the implementation of this. Run sync. How does a stream end? Okay, I mean, I'll take your word for it. That should probably be documented somewhere. Maybe it is, and I'm just not reading the docs. That'd be a very typical move for me. Effect.website. Streaming. Good 51%. All right, we'll try it. Let's try it. Let's restart the server. And is there like a stream.on done? And we'll do our event substream, and then this takes a what? A cleanup. And we'll just say effect.log stream closed. Oh, it needs to be lazy. And we'll yield that. Oh, I don't need to yield that? Oh, that augments the stream. So I could come down here and be like, dot pipe, right? Dot pipe, and then I can be yoink you. Why did that not work? Whatever. We'll find out pretty freaking quickly if this is working or not. So let's restart the server, bun run that. That's not happy. What'd we break? Service not found. Oh, did we not provide something somewhere? Are we missing something? Twitch config, Twitch event sub. Why is that not provided? It should be. I guess I have to explicitly provide it here. Now what do you require? Never. Hold on, chat. What are you guys playing? What are we playing over here? What are you trying to play? Good girl. Rainy, be nice. Oh, hello. Hello. Good girl. Yes. Oh, good girl. Yes. Yes. Good Yen. Good Yen. You're doing so good, honey. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. You tried to play. That was so nice. Bodhi, relax, sir. So chat, this tiny golden right here, her name is Yen. She's from Turkey. She's from Turkey. Go full screen. Okay. I think I can do that. Did that work? Yeah. My brightness is garbage. Let me see if I can change this. What is it? ISO? So yeah, this dog here, over my shoulder, where am I at? I'm pointing the wrong direction. She's from Turkey. Music stops? Okay, that's okay. Anyways, this is Yen. She's from Turkey. We're fostering her right now. And she was severely abused. She was beaten, starved, chained up, had to like lay in her own feces in a dark garage her whole life. And the dog rescue that Justine and I volunteer with flew over to Turkey and rescued a bunch of dogs, and she was one of them. And she is very, very skittish. And last night was the first time she last night I was laying on this couch, and like she's afraid to walk around the house. We have a crate out here in this living room that we keep the door open for, and she just stays in there for the most part. And last night I was laying in here on the couch doing some work, and she came in and got up on the couch and crawled into my lap. And it's the first she's ever probably had real affection in her entire life. Let me switch back to not chatting anymore. Default. Setup. Yeah. So she crawled into my lap like that last night and fell asleep there for like an hour, and it was the most precious thing in the entire world. Like, ah, I love her. Yeah. So she's doing quite well. And what was just happening out there that caused me to get up is I heard a bunch of noise and I was like, "Oh shit, what's going on?" Um, and and she was trying to play with Bodhi, which hasn't happened yet. Are you a good girl, Yan? It's okay. It's okay. See? Yeah. I'm not gonna hurt you. Yeah, that's good girl. You can play with them. Yeah. You're such a good girl. Yeah. Good stretch, Win. I'm not getting a fourth. We're just fostering her until she's ready to go. Layered up, provide, merge. So can I do this and then can I do layer dot merge all and do what I did before? I can't even tell what I'm looking at here now. Well, we foster failed on Bodhi wherever he is. Thank you for the follows, by the way. Denny, Busy Gamer. I think I missed a bunch of people earlier. Metalhead, Nasriel. Appreciate all of you. And Excal. Thank you all for hanging out. So how does layer.provide merge work? Is there docs on this? Resource management, context management. Combining layers. Merging and composing. I see. Okay. So we can do I think we can probably make this look a little bit nicer if we do something like can we do layer dot empty dot pipe, and then we can do layer dot provide, and we can do twitch config dot live. Provide merge. This is, what does this give me here? That makes not sense. If you provide without merge, it removes only from R. Okay, that's what we want though, right? Hold on, let's go back to where we were. Let's get back to our original state here. So layer.merge all. And that gives us this thing. And I think I just, pipe and then we just provide. I'm really confused on the difference between merge and provide merge. I want like a provide merge all. I think provide merge all is what I actually want. Provide, okay, that is what I'm going for. Okay, it just doesn't exist right now. Gotcha. So what we really want then, I guess, is like layer dot provide, and we want to do, we'll use our config layer as the base. So we'll say twitch config.live dot pipe, and then we can say layer dot merge. Yeah, I'm so lost with what I'm doing right now. Hold on. We're just gonna do this the easy way, because I don't feel like dealing with this problem right now. We're gonna go here, because this guy requires these, and we're just gonna provide twitch config.live. Why didn't that? I provided a Twitch config. Why didn't it remove it? Winnie. No barks. It's Justine. She's home. Go see her. Yin, stay here, honey. So what? Then would I do another? Like that? Would that remove it? That did work. I'm getting there. I think I'm getting there. Okay, that took care of the dependencies. All right, this is too heavy. Sorry, guys. Oh no. I'm sorry, Frederico. I will listen to it off stream. I promise. We'll go back to it. And I'm gonna. I think it was this. Is this your band? Ad Vitum? That's hilarious. I'm gonna. I do like heavy music. Just not as tired as I am on stream right now. Once I'm gonna set the reward redemption to 1,000 points, and once that happens, I will try my best not to ever skip songs. Well, then I end up with the same problem though, right? I'm right back where I started. Because now we have the same problem where all these layers are provided, layered up, merge all. Which that seems like a weird layer to have. And now I still need all of these. So provide merge. And then we just pipe and do it again. Oh, I think I see what you're saying. I also want to see what this just does quick. Wait, that looked good. Oh, because I didn't. Okay. Do I just pipe again and layer dot provide nope. Okay, I gotta go back to what you were saying. So you said not here. Merge all. Back to here. Mm-hmm. This is TypeScript. Yep. Yeah, the delay doesn't help either, Federico. Thanks for bearing with me. I'm sure this is frustrating. Main Twitch layer. Okay, that's here. We're in the main Twitch layer. We have this here, and we want to provide, we want this layer to be able to provide all of these things. So we can, you have another one? Like down here. So you're saying just provide it here? Okay, that is what I want. Twitch config will be both provided and accessible. I see. So, that being said, I think I want to do what I'm doing here in this. I basically just want to provide the service this. I want this to be like the service dependencies, right? Const test equals Twitch config or layer yeah, okay. Twitch config dot live dot pipe, and then in our pipe we basically do can I do the merge all in here? All right, hold on. Let's go one thing at a time. Okay, that's what we want so far. That looks good. And then we want Twitch event subclient. Okay, we still got our never. No. This one's such a bastard. So you're saying... There we go.
Oh, that was a big jump. Did you see her jump over the... You probably did. She just leapt over the side.
She was trying to play earlier.
Was she?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's a good girl. I gotta say hi to everybody.
Chat says hello.
Hello,
All right,
chat.
so now we got to the right thing.
Hi.
The struggle was real, chat. Yoink.
Oh gosh, Bodhi. Don't jump in my face. That kind of hurt. Yes, I see you.
And we probably want to do the same
Your
thing.
breakfast. Did you feed him?
No.
Bodhi down.
Yoink that. And we'll come down here. And then the event sub client becomes test. And that. Test. It is 9:30 where I am at. I do. I basically want this layer to be the layer which provides everything to the Twitch service, right? So if we come down here, like now we should be okay, right? Like we shouldn't have dependencies other than the message pub sub, which is fine. This is what I want because the Twitch service uses all of the dependencies. Like a better name for this would be like change Twitch service dependencies or requirements, I guess. Right, like that is closer to what this actually is. Because this service actually uses all of the things. API client, Twitch, I guess it doesn't actually need this. Now we're gonna have a requirement, yeah, so we can just, this one can be a provide. All right, I'm starting to understand how this works a little bit better. So now we should be still, yeah, okay, there we go. Yeah, all right. I'm starting to get the hang of this. Thank you for your help and tolerating the asynchronous, whatever. You know what I'm saying. Thank you for helping as always. I think eventually we'll probably refactor this and make our own runtime and build up our context ourselves and do this all in like the main. But for now, this is fine. All right, it's not running right now, Kraut. So let's see if we fixed our problems. Let's go back to our main and make sure we're not missing any dependencies. We're not. Perfect. Cool. Okay. So let's run. We're running. Let me try song. Okay. We can also test Fub's theory that we don't need forever here. So let's do that, and then we'll come down here and do the same thing. And restarting real quick. Theoretically, if we do song, song, song. Cool. We do not need effect.forever for when we use stream.run each. That would be a good thing to put in the docs if anyone from the effect team is here. How do I close a stream? Can I close a stream on my own? Run drain. Run into Q? That's cool. That's pretty cool. Run drain. Not quite it, but that's okay. I just wasn't sure if I could scope it. Do I have inferred types from yield calls? I do, Gerald.
Wait, is that?
I do feel like I'm writing like Gleam.
Wait, go.
Isn't that picture?
I love that picture. Oh. No, that's great. I love it. Sorry.
Kyle says hi.
Hi, Kyle. Kyle, your wife asked me this morning if we adopted her. I had to say no.
All right. After that journey, let's go ahead and go back here and let's start breaking out what we were trying to do earlier. So if we want to do stream to do. We're still on number 1. I want to effectively turn this into an effect rather than it being, if I yoink this, paste this here, const x equals that. What is the type of view? It's an effect. Okay. So let's come over here and then in here, this is actually going to become a read-only, boom, boom, throw that in there. That'll have a stream. That'll have that. Paste that there. Read only, and then this will be, I guess run will be a effect dot effect. What do we say the type was? Void. We're going to do that. And then in here, we're going to return, let's go back and let's grab this. And in here, we'll do this and we'll say you will be const event substream This will be stream is event substream and run. And we need our pub sub then. Const pub sub equals yield star message pub sub. Yep, that looks good. Being a fork scope, is it useful to make it accessible or a requirement of the service? You're right, because I could fork it in here. Yeah, I like that idea. I guess I can just do in here, and then rather than returning anything, this will just return never, right? What up, Noons? Yeah, dude, how have you been?
Hey, can I ask a favor?
What?
Will you come kill these 2 centipedes?
Where are they at?
The door frame. And I'm worried they're gonna fall on my face.
I'll be right back, Chuck. I gotta go kill bugs.
Thank you.
Where are they at?
So like, porch. Where? Up. There's 2. You get 2?
Someone's calling me. Okay, I'm back. No, I just don't have that running yet. It's currently broken. Expected 1 argument, but got 2. Effect discard. Which we don't even need to return that. What is this right now? Never, never dependencies.
Dylan, there's like 6 on our porch. What is going on?
I don't know, probably just them like molting.
What does that mean?
And then in here I can do effect dot
I don't know what that means.
fork. Do I just fork? Before I did fork scoped. Is that now? Oh, I guess I don't end up needing. I do need a scope. So that seems right, right? And then all right, so let's go back to what we had. So this provides the stream. We have our stream. We get our stream. And then over here, you're suggesting provide a discard effect where the effect is a fork of... Yeah. Provide layer dot scoped discard. And this will be effect dot fork scoped. You're forking a layer. Yeah. So here you're saying we would do effect. Hold on. No? Wait, what other file? Over here. How do I get my... I don't know if I like this pattern. I think I would rather do it... I think I would rather do it like here, where we do something like const merged. And then we do effect yield star effect dot fork scoped. And then we copy
I'm gonna go shower, so Yin, I mean, not that she'll do anything, but you're on Yin duty until I'm done. And there's also, I'm not even joking, like 50 centipedes outside, and it's freaky.
Okay, I don't know what you want me to do about that.
I don't know, but I'm gonna complain about it.
Okay.
Because centipedes are freaky, they have so many legs. Why do they have so many legs?
That's what they do.
Just to have legs?
Yeah.
It's freaky. Oh, she's on your couch.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, good girl, Yin. Good girl. Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
So now I don't even need... It'll just run itself when I provide it. So I don't even need any of this. Right? We just provide the event substream and it'll run. Which I need to get a Spotify token. All right, song should work again. Yeah, there we go. So that appears to still be working. Okay. Do I like that though? I kind of like being implicit. See you, Federico. Yeah, I have to wrap up soon anyways. I appreciate all the help today. I feel like I learned a lot, especially about layers today. I really solidified my understanding of layers, so that's been useful. Yeah, chat. I gotta get to work here. Let me check this. That's not important. Yeah, I know. I'll be back tomorrow morning. Let's find someone. What up, Gomez? You are showing up at a poor time because we're getting ready to wrap up here. But I will be back tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. For anyone new, the task next time is basically still continuing to like kind of just playing around with layers and figuring out how we want to like encapsulate these forked effects and run them. But I do got to run, so let's go find somebody to raid. Appreciate everyone hanging out. Y'all are awesome. Cops sleeping. We just raid Brooks. Let's raid Prime. I'll probably end up watching Prime anyways. Have a lovely hump day, y'all. I appreciate all of you. And yeah, we've got the music stuff working, which is super cool. It's now just clean up and making it better. Yeah, Kraut, I do want to do that. All right, peace, y'all.